Hello, what's up, my good people? How are you doing? It's your girl Sly, and welcome to Raw with Sly. And today I'm giving you my small single room house tour. Yeah, I'm excited, and I hope you guys watch till the end. And to the returning new subscribers, welcome to the gang. Yes, and here we keep it raw and real. Yes, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. First thing, here is my entrance door. This is my curtain. It's sky blue, but forgive my lighting at the moment. And here at this section, we have my jerry cans where I store my water and my basins that I use to do laundry. And here is also where I keep my dirty clothes when I remove. Here is where I store my padlock. And up here, I have my two koffias that are good to go when it's very sunny. Yeah, next to my jerry cans, I have my storage for excess clothes, especially the duvets, carpet. These are carpet and bed sheets, and this is my how do we call it, bathrobes. Yeah, and these are my go clothes, yeah, that I don't want to keep them under the bed where I put my suitcases. Yeah, so that's it for this section. Yeah, so that's the entrance. This is where I store my excess. And then right here is where I keep my toiletries, my Colgate, and this is my wax. This is my scrub. Here I keep all my sunglasses. Here is where I keep my jewelry, earrings, necklaces. Yeah, name them. This is the remote to the TV. This is my sunscreen. Like, here is the section of my self glamling. What do we call them? Essentials for body. Yeah, makeup brushes, my brush. Yeah, my extra books from campus. I still have them. I don't know why I've kept them, but I still have them. Right here, we have my belts. These were my belts when I used to be in campus. Right now I don't use them. Yeah, and these are my go codes, and yeah, and right here I have excess bags where I store my panties, bras, name them, the essential stuff. Right here also I have my go clothes. I really have excess clothes, so I don't know how to manage them, but I'm trying my best. Here they are. Yeah, that's my Bible, that's my purse. And down here I have a lot of handbags. Yeah, and right here is my bed. This is my bed. Yeah, this is my bed. I don't know where the lighting is not giving it justice. Yeah, that's where I sleep. That's an extra mattress that I have there in case I have visitors, but I'm manifesting a 2-bedroom house. Yeah, this is my other kofia ama cap that I wear when it is very sunny. Yeah, to avoid sunburns. Yeah, so this is my bed area. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele hold and they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang. And down here, we have my mat. The first thing I step on when I wake up. Yeah, more mats. Right here next to my bed, we have my shoes. Don't mind, hii ni msikiti for now, just assume. But this all my shoes. I've just thrown them randomly. I've not arranged them. And this is my window. Yeah, and that's the outside. Yeah, and right here is the kitchen area. We have my 2 burner, whatever. And then down here is where I store my my go spices that I use every day. And yeah, and this is my fruits, and here is where I store my tomatoes. Yeah, this is my gas down here. These are my onions on this section. This is the dustbin. This is my drinking water, but it has just ended. So basically that's my kitchen area, stock my shoe rack area. And right here is where I store my flour. That's my bucket where I've stored my wine glasses. Let me show you. Yeah, those are my wine glasses. And here is more of my storage area for food stuffs, sukuma wiki, name them. Yeah, it's dark there. And then right here is my utensils rack. So here I have my sugar, of which I don't consume sugar most of the time. I drink warm water, and my first meal is always at 12. Yeah, so that I can maintain my tummy. And then this is my salt. These are all the cutlery, spoons, name them. Yeah, that's my board. We have my plates, we have dishes, we have my cups. Yeah, whatever, name them, sufurias. This extra water that I use to cook with. Yeah, and we are done from the kitchen area. That's the kitchen area. Let me focus. That's the kitchen area. And then right here is my sitting room area. We have our TV. We have the extension. These are my books, my journal, my extra phones, and yeah, it's everything electronic. I have my Wi-Fi devices that have not installed yet. I have my ring light that spoiled right there. That's my small Bluetooth speaker. I don't have a speaker yet. That's my Go TV. How do we call it? Aerial, but I've not installed it yet. That's the stand for that's the tripod stand. And my carpet. This is my seat right here. This is my laptop. Yeah, and that's basically my sitting area. And right here we have an extra bed. Yeah, and as you enter the entrance, you have my dirty shoes, and this my small doormat. Yeah, and basically that's my house tour. Let me give you one more round, and that is it. Yeah, so that's where you go. Let me put on the lights, maybe it will change.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My body, my body. My mind, and my heart, my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Cause you is so amazing.
Video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Tell a friend, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, let's eat 1,000 subscribers. Mwah.